Oh my gosh, what happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Yo, I went to the gym and I ended up dropping it on the side of my door, and then some car ran it over and I went back to it.
Car ran it over?
Yeah.
Oh my god, man. Wow. This is all destroyed.
I know.
That's a new iPhone, huh?
Yeah, listen, I'm bad luck with phones.
I see it.
It's crazy.
Wow, look at that.
So I want a color change for that.
You want a color change
Yes.
too?
Yes, I want it white.
Don't worry, I got you.
Thank you.
I can't believe this is broken like that. Look at this. We're gonna deep clean this case as well. Look at the case, how gross is this? Oh my gosh. Wow, probably never been out. Well, watch until the end, whole process. Can close it. We're gonna put Face ID on the new screen. Screen is fixed. Time to color change this one. He didn't want no purple color. I'm gonna change whole thing to white. I need to clean this frame first. Surgery time. Time to put everything on the white housing. Time to clean this gross case. Look at that. How gross is this? We're gonna deep clean this now. Ew. See the color change already on there. How often do you clean your case? And how many cases do you have? Comment below. You see his case turned to yellow because he never cleaned it. So if he cleaned it, this wouldn't happen. This definitely needs baking soda. What do you think? It's all broken anyway. This is so gross. The moment you all have been waiting for. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at that. Look at this now. It's brand new again. Sir? Sir? Well, sir is gone. Sir is not here. And this is the case. That's the best it can be. And that's what it is. Can I get a wow? Let's check if everything works. Wi-Fi. It's already connected. Working. Camera, front, back, working, Face ID, it's working, side buttons, it's working, everything is good to go. Can I get a wow?
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last.